everybody, and welcome back to Mathmagicians. Today we are going to be playing a card game called Clock Solitaire that's not only going to teach us about the placements on a clock, but also about counting and number sense. So I'm going to flip the camera down so you can see the table, so you can see where we're going to be playing, and I'm going to teach you how to play this game. I have my instructions over here, so I've never played this before. This is the first time I'm going to try it, so we're going to be learning this together. So I'm going to flip you down real quick. We've got our work area here. So the very first thing that I should tell you is in your instruction sheets and on the Children's Department website, there is a list of the values of each card. So if we think about a clock has the numbers 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So each card also has to have a value attached to it. So the number cards are easy. Their number's already on them. The tricky ones are the things like, let's find an ace, a jack, a queen, and a king. So your ace is equal to 1, so the number 1 on a clock. The jack is equal to 11. The queen is equal to 12, and the king goes in the middle. He's 13. He's in the center of the pile, so he's not going to be around the outside of the clock. So those are just the first things you need to know. And like I said, those will be on the Children's Department site, and those will also be there's no make and take for this. So they're on the Children's Department site if you need to reference back to them. So the very first thing that you do is you shuffle the cards. And I'm not a very good shuffler, so this will take a little bit. You shuffle the cards, and then you deal out your entire pile face down into 13 equal piles with 4 cards each. So I'm going to shuffle these 4 times. That was 2. You don't have to shuffle them 4 times. I just like the number 4, so that's why we're going with that. So that was 3. And that was 4. So it says shuffle and then deal the entire thing out face down into 13 equal piles with 4 cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is about as good as I can get you, so you'll be able to see everything. You can sort of see all of the piles. You can at least see the tops or the bottoms of all the piles. So, we have it set up like a clock. So we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then we have a pile in the middle. So you have to turn over the top card on the stack in the middle. So that's like the next thing that you do. So we have a 3 in the middle here. So take the card that you just revealed and put it under the corresponding pile. So we have to remember where the spot on the clock is. So this is 12, 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to take this card and put it under pile 3, like that. Then you turn over the top card on that pile. So queen. So now I repeat that step. So I got a queen. Queen is 12 on our list. So queen goes up here, and then I flip over this card, which is a 9. Now, this is how you play the game. So I'm going to play a whole round with you so you can see. So we got 9. So 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it goes over here, and it goes under 9. I flip it over. I got 5. 5 goes here. It's not on the bottom. There we go. 5 goes here. I flip it over. I got 9 again. Flip 9 over. Got queen. Queen is 12. Flip over here. Got 10. 10 is here. flip over, got 4. 4 is here. Flip over, 7. 7 is here. Flip over, 6. 6 is here. Flip over, 9. 9 is here. Flip over, 8. 8 is here. Flip over, ace. Ace is 1. So ace goes here. Flip over, 5. 5 goes here. Flip over, king. Okay, so what you're doing, now that we've got a king, so this is the first time we have a king, so this is where we'll do this. So if you would complete, to win the game, you have to complete all of the clock stacks before your last king comes up. So there's 4 of each card. This is the first king that I've gotten. So the king goes in the middle. And we want to try to get all these piles filled before we get all the kings. So we still flip over this middle stack. We've got 10 now. So the game keeps going because we only have 1 king. So we've got an ace. That's 1. Flip it over, 2. Flip it over, 10. I want to get to the end of a pile too, so you can see what happens. 8. Queen. 2. 9. Okay, so if you turn over a card and it completes a stack on your clock, other than the king stack, move to the next number clockwise face down. So we get 5. But now, oops, that's 4. 5. So now 9 is done. Like we've completed 9. All the 9s are here. So, but we'll keep going. We had 5. Then we had ace. 7. 4. Ace. 3. So we've completed 9 and ace now. 6, 10, 3, 4, jack. So the jack is 11. So this is the first jack that we had. 8, 5, 4, jack. So now just to keep up, we finished 1, 4, 5, 9, and 10. So we're at jack. So we've got another jack. And now we've got a king. So 3, 7, jack, 2, 2, 8, king, oh no, 6. We only have 1 king left. So if we get that king before we finish 7, 8, and 12, we lose. So we had 6, we lose. So we got all 4 kings, but we didn't complete 6, 7, and 12. So that's how that works. If that king had not come up, like let's say that king was here, and we got 6. Okay, so that doesn't work. Wait. So let's say that king was here, and we got queen, 7, and 6. If this had been the last one, we would have won. So I'm going to flip, while I clean up the cards, I'm going to flip this back up so you can see me. So what this game does, it not only teaches you about the placement on the clock, it teaches you about counting, because you have to count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 to figure out where everything goes. And this is also a good way to just learn how to play cards. Cards are fun. And the easier games you can start with when you're younger, the more fun card games you can play as you get older. So that's all there is to it. I did explain it here so you could see how the actual gameplay goes, but there's written instructions on the children's department site as well. So you can print those out if you wanted to play. And the reference chart for what ace, jack, king, and queen are also on there. So we hope you enjoyed this card game. We hope you'll try it at home. Hopefully it helps you learn your clock, how to tell time, and your counting. Join us back here for next Math Magicians. Have a great day.